I'm Soni Thakkar, business English course designer as well as a voiceover artist. English language has changed not only over the past decade, but more so because of the internet and the social media. LinkedIn in particular being a professional platform, we need to be able to leverage this particular tool much more efficiently. What I appreciate of the workshop today that Urjita and Mansi have conducted is the hands-on process. There wasn't too much explanation, but we were actually guided step by step through the different aspects of the LinkedIn platform, and I'm much more comfortable with the tool now. I also find that this is definitely going to help me in my own personal, professional way in which I design the courses, because many of my students are much younger than I am and much easier with the internet than I was in the past. So wonderful, and more power to Mansi and Urjita.
Thank you